Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. New IP already developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered a many of the things using like Python in artificial intelligence and Python in DSA. So today we are covering up a project here using Python in DSA because in the previous videos we have just covered up a project using Python in artificial intelligence which was of sticky notes, and I hope you understand that project here. But today we are just building a real world project using Python in DSA. Means we will be using data structure algorithm in today's video when we are working with Python. So today I will be telling you that what are complements tag in Python when we are using DSA. That means I will be telling you what are complementers and how we can use complementers when we are working with Python when we are using data structure algorithm in that. So I hope you'll be understanding this video of complementers which we are just building from scratch. So if you understand this video, if you enjoy this project of complementer tag which we are just using and building this from start, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing a notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project from start. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are just building this project and what things we'll be including in this project from start to end. So just like I'm telling you in the start in the demo, like today in Python using data structure algorithm, I will be telling you that what are complements mean, how you can use these complementers in Python when you are working with DSA. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can just use these complementers here in Python when we are just working with that and what things we'll be including in this project. So for working with this project here, I will be just directly opening my folder, or you can say directly I will be making a new window here, and like in the previous video of Python, I'm just telling you how to run the Python file here, so you can just check that video out if you have not checked. Then I will be creating a new file on my desktop or any location you can create. So I will be giving it the name as like today's project. So I will be now giving it the name as concept daters like this. Then I will be saving it on my file location which is desktop. So I will be saving it as the name of concept daters, and I will be saving it on desktop. So we are just working with complementers. So I will be writing here complementers like this. Then I will be writing .py and saving it on my desktop here. Then I will be creating the file. So remember, you have to write .py in the end when you are saving it as the Python format here. Now we have just saved this file here, and we are getting complementers.py file on our VS Code which we have just opened. And on the desktop we are also getting the file. You can see complementers. This was our main file. Then here we will be starting our code which we want to just create when we are working with this complementer. So for using complementers, we have to first of all import tickinter here, because complementers when we use, so it works with tickinter. So when we are using complementers, so there we have to use the normal tickinter. Then I will be importing here OS, and then we have to just move down, write here root.tk like this, or you can say here I will be writing tk.root like this. You can write this tag, and then in this you can just set the width and the height of the root. So you can just write here root tk like this, and you can write here this is tkinter command saying complementers. So here I will be now writing saying complementers like this. Then after writing this, you have to save this file here, and then you have to run this file. So move to the terminal and write here the Python command. First of all, we have to define the location where we have saved. So we have just saved this file on desktop. So I will be writing cd desktop. Right here Python, and our file name is complementers. So I will be writing complementers.py. So you can see it is giving me error that root.tk is not any of the tag. So directly I will be now removing this because I think that it is not working. So save it here till here. Then you have to run again to check it is working. So I will be writing complementers.py. Press enter. You can see it is working. It is not giving me any error, means that our tickinter is working here. So I will be now just writing here tk, or you can just write here root like this, and then you can just write .tk or anything. Like if I write here input, and in this input I will be writing this is a complementer. So I will be writing this is a complementer like this, and I will be writing in tickinter, because when we are working with complementers tag, so we use tickinter in that. So because of that, when I'm using complementers in today's video, so I'm using tickinter as our external command here. So if I run this command again, Python complementers.py like this, you can see we are getting an input which is saying this is a complementer in tickinter. When I'm pressing enter, nothing is happening. So I will be now just printing input, and then you have to save it here. Then reload, means then run it again complementers.py. Press enter. You can see it is saying me this is a complementer. Again it is when I just press enter, so you can see it is showing me built-in function input, because in the print tag I've written input, and then it is showing me built-in function input in the print tag. So you can see like this, you can just use it. So here in the print tag you can use yes, and I will be writing this is complementer. So it is asking the question from the top tag. If I just show you, so this is asking a question from the user. Is this you can just write here, is this is a complementer, like this. If I write it in input like, is this is a complementer indicator, so question mark is here, means that it is asking question from the user like, is this a complementer indicator. So user is saying through print tag like, yes, this is a complementer indicator. Now you have to just directly save it here, then you have to now just run it again. So I will be writing Python complementers, then I will be writing .py, press enter. You can see now it is saying, is this a complementer indicator? Then we are getting the command, yes, this is a complementer indicator. So you can see like this, you can use complementers to give any of the complement to the tag. So like this, it is asking the question through input tag and I am giving the complement through print tag here. So like this, you can use different tag to just give complement to different tags like using complementers. So I hope you understand how we can use complementers when we are just working with Tkinter. I'm just telling you the first method, like you can use it with Tkinter. So this was the first method of using complementers tag with the Tkinter method. So in Tkinter method, you have to use only two tags, which is called input and print. So these are the two basic tags which we use when we want to just create any of the project, or we use these tags as a understandable projects as well. So I'm just telling you through these two tags because these are easy to understand, and the other methods which are available, that are hard methods, so you cannot be understanding by that method. So this was the easiest method which I have telling you, like you can use input and print tag as a complement, and you can give complement through these two tags. So I hope you understand how you can give complement through Tkinter when you are using input and print tag here. So if you understand this video, if you enjoyed this project here which we have just covered up using Python in data structure algorithm, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a subscribe. After subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these projects using Python in data structure algorithm or in artificial intelligence. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things using Python in data structure algorithm and in artificial intelligence as well. So for today, goodbye.